Hi everyone, welcome to what's going to be the last full video on the Greek Street Bridge replacement project Stockport. As you can see there, it's all fully open. So in this video today we're going to be having a wander on foot to see what changes have taken place during the rebuild, and we'll also have a drive around the roundabout. So flying up Mercian Way here towards Greek Street, got the Armoury pub top right. Biggest difference here is every junction has now got some form of pedestrian crossing. You got the original one on Mercian Way, and there are some additional ones on the zebras outside the pub and the TA centre, etc. Looking at this video from last year, you can see there also that the pavements are a lot wider on the station side of the bridge and outside the Armoury pub also. This is flying towards the railway station. See there, they've now added the pedestrian crossing, the zebra at the side of the Age UK building also. This is looking along Shaw Heath with the railway station behind us, looking towards Shaw Heath on the other side. So you can see the new pedestrian crossing there at the bottom of the picture. So that's enough for the drone. Let's have a wander on foot and see what we can spot there. So it's coming up Shaw Heath, now got the railway station behind me. This crossing is new. Now another thing I've noticed, don't know if this is permanent, but they seem to have shut that road off. Don't know if that's permanent or not. It's got GMP's finest doing the best. Beasley station sign is back. Now on the previous video I thought this was actually just a sign, but I've replaced it as mosaic. So the pavement here is a lot wider than it was. See the centre of the roundabout there, quite busy as football's just ended. It's got another crossing here, wasn't here before. So there's no pedestrian crossing on every exit. Got the original one there down on Mercian Way with a traffic light control one, but on the other one got the zebras. Front of the Armoury pub, that is also a lot wider on the pavements, so it's just a lot more user friendly for all road users. The one thing I've noticed, which I know some people said it in the comments on the previous videos, that there's always somebody cutting you up on this roundabout. There's no road markings coming up to it. Do whatever you think's best, guys. So that's it, the end of an era. But before we log off, let's have a drive around the roundabout, and I'm also going to chuck in some facts and figures about what I've done while I've been filming the project. end of an era. Thank you very much for everybody who has supported my filming of this and commented on all the videos. It's made it a really enjoyable project to cover. So I'm going to end with it from last year and what it looks like now. Now I've got a couple of recap videos that I'm going to do, so keep an eye out on the channel for that. Thanks again for all your support, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone, bye.